Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
This part of Pueblo makes a strong first impression. Union Avenue and the Riverwalk immediately feel welcoming, relaxed and confident in what they are. There's a sense that this area knows its identity and doesn't need to oversell it. Union Avenue works as a natural spine. It's active without feeling rushed, and everything connects logically from it. Cafés, shops, and side streets branch off in a way that encourages wandering rather than directing you along a fixed route. You don't feel boxed in or funneled. You feel invited to explore. The Riverwalk sits right along that energy. It doesn't dominate the area, but it anchors it. Water, paths, and open spaces soften the surrounding streets and create breathing room without breaking the urban feel. It's a place where people slow down naturally, not because they're told to. What stands out most is balance. This isn't a tourist-only zone and it doesn't feel over-curated. At the same time, it's clearly cared for. Public spaces are intentional. Movement feels easy. Nothing feels accidental or neglected. Just behind Union Avenue, the character shifts again. Side streets and alleys add texture rather than contrast. There's creativity, color, and personality tucked into places that could easily have been forgotten. Instead, they feel deliberately included in the experience of the area. Everything here feels connected. The main streets, the water, the back lanes, and the open spaces all work together. You don't need a map to understand how it fits. You just move through it and it makes sense. There's also a strong sense of pride. This part of Pueblo feels lived in and enjoyed, not just maintained. People use the spaces the way they were intended to be used, and that gives the area its warmth. As an introduction, this section of town sets expectations high. It's calm, interesting, and easy to spend time in. And from the very start, it feels like a place that rewards slowing down and paying attention. For me, this was one of the most enjoyable towns on the entire journey, and this area is exactly why.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.